But welcome back. We are at round 10 of the league, and today we are facing Arsenal 2004. We are here for a hard match when we are going to be going up against Terry Henry. It is rainy conditions we will have, as I see now. But let's see the starting 11 of Arsenal and the starting 11 of Real Madrid. So in goalkeeper position is Thibaut Courtois. Right back is Danny Carvel. Then centre back is Dean Huijsen. Then at the other centre back it's Rudiger. And then at left back it's Carreras. Then it's gonna be Alexander Arnold. Then Chouameni. Then in a left right mid it's gonna be Arda Güler. Then Vinicius Jr. at left wing, then centre midfielder, Valverde also secondary striker, and then the striker, the main man, Kylian Mbappe. Now here it is a very good lineup for them, but let's head straight into the match and round 10. Real Madrid lead the league here after beating Paris Saint-Germain in the last match 2-0. Let's do this. Jake Paul lost yesterday to Anthony Joshua, and that was a very good match by Anthony Joshua. I was very proud of Anthony. And you have Valverde taking a quick shot at goal. But Lehan with an easy stop at the ball. Henry Bergkamp. And it's on now. It's on again for Arsenal now. Valverde on the ball. Can't get there. And now it's replies. Oh, just wide. Here it is. Through ball for Chouameni and As Carreras. Ball for Vinicius Jr. Perfect tackle there. And it's Henry. Ball taken away. Shot a goal. The curve was there. But the angle was not. Huijsen for Valverde. Can't get there. Valverde for Mbappe. Mbappe can't get to a ball now. And is Terry Henry now on a ball. It is a save by... Oh no, no save. It was goal kick here. And Henry again. It's Bergkamp! Wide again for Arsenal. Rudiger. And they can't get past. They can't get the chances. It's Terry Henry again. It's Bergkamp. Saved by Courtois. Beautiful. One of the best goalkeepers in the world. And it is Courtois with a beautiful another save. Pressing is there. Again, it's Terry Henry. It's Bergkamp now. And it's goal for Arsenal. Yes, Robs. And Henry! Oh, it hit the bar! Tackle weer. Danny Carvel with gets a yellow. Is it? Corner, beautiful save by Couture again. And tweede save by Couture, half time 1-0 for Arsenal. Pressing is on. And here it is, on for Mbappe. Kylian Mbappe steps in. He takes a shot at goal. Oragula is there. Ooh. Carreras now. Danny. And Carvel now. Rudiger is not playing the best of football. Mbappe. Passing away for Vinicius Jr. Bro, I swear I passed that ball, bro. Oh, this game. Pressing is on deep. It is Carreras. Carreras! He passed it through. Can't get a shot away. Junior. Why did Valverde pass there? To... Oh no, it's still Henry! Quick, take it for ball. It is Mbappe now. Mbappe! Goal! Mbappe has sealed the equaliser. And they have equalised it. In the dying moment of the match. Press now. It ends level 1-all. The goal from Mbappe, Thibaut Courtois, or Mbappe getting man of the match. I think it had to go to Thibaut Courtois there. But a comeback of the Angels there. And Real Madrid bounced to third in the group. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.